Hello thinkers, welcome to another video. In this video I just want to show you a water pump quick hack. Apparently my water pump is bad. I need to pump water for the day before I can do a full repair. I want to welcome you once again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and let us learn together. For those of you that have been my subscribers staying by me watching my videos, a huge thank you to you. Thank you for staying by and thank you for allowing us to grow. So I'll be removing the sockets of the pipings on the water pump, and which I've just completed. Try to drain the water a little, then lift it to my table. Lift it onto the table for a quick work. The fan blade I must remove, and which I've just done right now. I'll be working much on the motor segment, the part of the motor, not the part of the pump. The motor that drives the pump is what is faulty. When a motor is not starting up like that, immediately you power it on. Two things are liable. Is either the coil or the windings are bad, they are burnt, which are the copper wires inside the motor frame, and I'll be removing the cover after releasing all the bolts. A quick peep into the copper winding to see what is really happening. I try to pry the motor housing out that is holding the windings and the sleeves. I try to pry it out with a knife and a gentle hammer. And to see what is really wrong with the windings. Definitely the windings, there is nothing wrong with the windings. And like I was saying, two things are usually wrong. Is either the winding or the capacitor. In this case, the winding is still very good, which means the capacitor might be very bad. I don't have a tester to test it, but I need this water pump to work, and this is where the hack comes in. I try to see if the bearings are working fine, and they are working fine a little. Need some lubrication. To sand this motor part that is already rusty somehow, sand it down, make sure it's shining again. All the sleeves in the motor frame, try to scrape it so well that it's shining, looks brand new for proper contact, and that is what I'm trying to do here. Then I fix it back in the same way that I released it. Fix it back. Put the back cover again. Make sure everything is well aligned. A gentle tapping of hammer will be very useful here, and that is what I'm doing, so that everything will key into place, and I'll start putting the bolts back in to make sure it's well tight. So this is a very quick hack. It doesn't mean that your water pump or your motor is fixed. It's just something that will make it work a little for the emergency use or something, you know. So like the case I am now, I'm on an emergency. I really need the water pump to work so that I could, you know, do my calls and move to the next day. So It's time to test what we've done. Let's see if it's working now, if it's going to work. Wow, it's working fine the first time. So this is a quick hack for you all. You can try it. If it works for you, fine. If it doesn't, please, if your copper wire is already burnt, it can work. If the capacitor is so bad, it cannot work. So I still can use this for a day or two before I do the full repair, and that is just it. I'll see you guys in another video. Please remember to subscribe, share my video, and I'll see you